today's video, I show you how to add fonts in Constant Contact quickly and easily. Start by opening your email editor and going to the Design tab. Here you'll find the Fonts section, where you can choose styles for headings, body text and links. Constant Contact offers a curated list of email-safe fonts, which ensures your emails look consistent across all devices and email clients. When picking fonts, think about readability and brand identity. Use simple, clear fonts for body text and bolder, attention-grabbing fonts for headings. You can preview font changes in real time to see what works best with your content and design. Don't forget your call to action links. They should be easy to read. Pairing font style with contrasting colors can make them stand out while keeping your email professional. And that's it. Using the Design tab, you can quickly add and customize fonts to make your emails engaging and visually appealing.